Just minutes away from collapsing. That's the word from PennDOT about the condition of the Liberty Bridge.
The bridge caught fire Friday after a spark from a torch ignited plastic pipes and then a tarp. Although the fire damaged just one section of the span, PennDOT says it was a crucial one.
Tonight, we're getting a better idea of the scope of repairs and when that bridge could reopen. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan has details for us. Andy, what have you learned?
Well, David, the Liberty Bridge will be closed for an entire week, a major headache for commuters. But as we've now learned, it could have been a whole lot worse. Sparks flew, igniting an intense fire that burned to 1,200 degrees and began melting the major support beam of the bridge, which engineers say was only minutes away from collapsing.
Fortunately, the good service from the Fire Bureau, getting here very quickly, getting immediately the fire extinguished, resulted in that catastrophe not happening.
But instead of losing the bridge, PennDOT is now working round the clock to repair it. That section of the beam is now bent and shrunken and must be bracketed on both sides by new steel plates. The cost of all this will be borne by the general contractor, J.B. Fay.
With the benefit of hindsight, this operation would have been conducted in a different way to avoid that risk even existing. The reality is that it happened. Our contractor is certainly stepping up to the plate with full responsibility here.
The plates will be lifted into place by the crane on this barge and will reinforce the beam, supporting the weight of the bridge in that section and allowing the flow of traffic once again.
Plan would be that by tomorrow the plates would begin manufacturing. Assembly would start on Wednesday.
And the work will continue through the week and the weekend in anticipation of a reopening next Monday morning. But until then, traffic promises to be a nightmare. Although PennDOT plans to reopen the Liberty Tunnel to inbound traffic later on tonight to at least allow some commuters access to the south side by McCardle Roadway.
But the main commuters that would typically travel through the tunnel to cross the bridge and into the city, they will be detoured.
Now, PennDOT always urges patience, but in this case, that's truly an understatement. We'll have more on this, more at 6 o'clock. For now, live on the south side, Andy Sheehan, KDKA-TV News.